You're talking and she's fully present. No scrolling, no half listening, no looking around the room. She's locked in, like you're the main character in her movie. Girls don't give undivided attention to interactions they don't care about. If her phone stays untouched, she's telling you without words, "I'm here. Keep going." Sign number 3. She keeps accidentally coming back. This one is wild because it's so common, and guys never notice it. She walks away, then suddenly comes back. She forgot something, needs help with something she didn't really need help with, or just randomly ends up right where you are again. Bro, do you really think that's an accident? Girls don't orbit men they're not attracted to. If she keeps creating new windows for interaction, she's hoping you'll finally use one. This is her saying, "If you make a move right now, I won't stop you." Sign number 4. Her energy softens around you. This is one of the clearest signs, if you know how to read energy. When a girl likes you, she softens, not intentionally, not fake. Her voice gets warmer, her movements slow down, her body language relaxes. She doesn't even realize she's doing it, but her body does. If she acts noticeably softer with you compared to others, that's attraction, speaking without words. Sign number 5. Micro-jealousy moments. I'm not talking about dramatic jealousy. No interrogations, no attitude. I'm talking micro-jealousy. You mention another girl, and for half a second, her vibe changes. Smile drops slightly. Response shortens. Energy tightens. Girls try to hide this, and they're terrible at it. That tiny shift means emotional investment, and emotional investment means interest. Sign number 6. She asks hypothetical questions. Sometimes she won't say she's into you. Instead, she tests the waters. Questions like, "Who do you think should make the first move? I like guys who take initiative. Would you ever ask someone out?" Bro, these aren't casual questions. She's checking your mindset, your confidence, your readiness. She's really asking, are you confident enough to take your shot with me? Sign number 7. She checks if you're available. She'll never ask directly, "Do you have a girlfriend?" Too risky. Instead, she asks, "So, do you talk to someone? That girl in your story, who's she? Why are you single?" Indirect questions, very direct intentions. She's deciding whether you're her next move. And when she asks this, she's handing you the moment.